Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera flashlight to on, off or automatic on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. In here, to turn on or turn off the flashlight, tap on the flashlight icon at the top bar. And in here you could choose off. That means it doesn't matter what you do. When you are using the camera, the flashlight will always be off. Now you can force to use the flashlight, so you can choose flashlight to on, and then it doesn't matter whether you're in a very bright environment or not. Your camera will always turn on the flashlight. Or you could choose automatic, so the camera will automatically determine if the picture has enough light or not. If not, then it will use the flashlight. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.